Today I'm making fresh juice, no sugar added, fresh ingredients, and amazing flavor. Let's get into it. Gala apples, coming in with some beetroot, pineapple, and ginger, vinegar, here.
Thank you.
I love making juice combination that tastes as good as they look. What you call this, mom tax? One for you. Finally, you see, for those who don't like that beetrooty taste or that earthy taste, it's not even there, but not that overpowering taste where you usually get from the beetroot. If you don't like beetroot and you want more beetroot in your diet, these are the perfect combination. This is really good. The watermelon and the pineapple makes it naturally sweet, with the apple and the ginger give it a little kick, and the lemon wakes up everything. It's like the icing on top. Not only does it taste good too, but it's refreshing. The watermelon really adds something special to it. I really love it. I love it. I love it. Y'all definitely need to try this one. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.